everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable hexagon mini bookmark out of leather. Complete with a colorful fox design and stitched edges, it's the perfect project for book lovers or anyone looking to add a handmade touch to their crafting. So grab your materials and let's dive in. Once you've purchased the file and downloaded it from Design Find, then you're going to go into the Design Find portion of AI Make. What this is going to do is we're going to put in an image that we can print in color onto the bookmark. So I chose to scroll down to the bottom and select one of the colorful printing doodle options. You can input anything that you'd like into here and AI will design a picture for you. I've chosen to search for a cute fox wearing a winter scarf. And hit generate. You will need credits for this. Once it's generated, you're going to click on the image and import it into Creative Space. Once the image has been imported, we're going to shrink it up and bring it up into our canvas. Now that you've resized your image, we're going to delete the background to remove any shading around the outer area. Move the image around your canvas until you have it where you like it. Next, we're going to edit the name. Now we're going to move on to the inkjet portion. Now's the time to install your inkjet module. Unlock the lock, pull out the laser module gently, set it aside, grab your inkjet module, take off the front case and the bottom that holds over top of the ink, and gently slide it into place. Now connect your cable and set your post-it notes in the bottom right-hand corner for the inkjet module. Don't forget to lock it. Now we're going to do snapshot preview. Grab your device and go over to your machine and make sure that the 4 dots are in the image. Take your picture and send it to your canvas. Now your background should be showing. Bring up your image to where you want to print. Click on your black layer and change the output to no. Click on your red layer and change your output to no as well. The only layer that should have output is your blue layer. Go over to your mode and select inkjet printing. Hit process and now hit start. Now we're going over to the machine. It's just going to test the ink and blot it off, and then it'll start on your project. With the ink, you have to make sure that you're using a surface that will allow the ink to absorb. I'm using vegetable tanned leather. Now's the time to put the laser module back in. Carefully close up the inkjet module and set it aside. Don't forget to lock it. Now back to the software. We're going to change the blue layer to output of no, and the black layer output is set to cut at 100 power and 5 speed. Your red layer is going to be engrave, and that's going to be at 50 power and 80 speed. Now we're going to hit auto measure and then process. I like to use a purifier in my space by xTools to help keep the air nice and clean. I use 2.3mm vegetable tan leather for this project. These settings might vary depending on how thick of a leather that you are using. Make sure to keep an eye on your project as it is cutting. Now's the time to start sewing. Line up your two pieces and sew them together. I like to use a needle and wax thread. Continue your project until you finish stitching. Once you've completed stitching, make sure to tuck in all the ends into the inside of your bookmark so they're no longer sticking out. Now you have your finished bookmark complete with an image and name. I hope you enjoyed following along with this project. Don't forget you can find the file on Design Find. Have a great day.